Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. Trackbacks and pingbacks are notifications you get when your blog post was linked to another blog post. Now, these kind of things are used a lot by spammers to send massive amount of fake trackbacks and pings that flood your queue and making it easy for you to miss something important. So in this video, you'll learn how to disable trackbacks and pings on existing WordPress posts. So to do that, let's go to our WordPress dashboard, hover onto posts, select all posts. Now click on the screen options on the top right hand side, and here you have to enter 999 next to the number of items per page option, and then click on the apply button. Now this will reload the post list and it will now show up to 999 posts on the same page. We are doing this so that we can get almost all the posts on your existing website on the same page. Now you need to select all posts by checking the box next to the title label. Now click on the bulk action drop down menu and select edit. After that, click on apply. Now WordPress will now show you a bulk edit box with all posts on the page selected. In the bulk edit box, you need to look for the pings option and then change it to do not allow. Now using this method, we are actually just selecting all the posts and making the same setting that we are disabling pings on all posts at once. Once you are done with that, just click on the update button to save your changes. Now WordPress will update and turn off pings for all the selected posts. If you have more than 999 posts on your WordPress website, then go to the next page and repeat the process. So that's how easy it is to disable trackbacks and pings from your existing WordPress posts.
I hope you like this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people. So please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your question. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video. Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers.
These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now, to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.